Hi, this is Dr. Sridevi back to you for the second module where the topics are divided into 7 categories. Today we begin our first topic, thiamine hydrochloride catalyzed synthesis of benzoin. This experiment can be allotted for the postgraduate level students. Let us see what is benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation is a coupling reaction between two aldehydes that allow the preparation of alpha hydroxy ketones. The first methods were only suitable for the conversion of aromatic aldehydes. In its most classical form, the homocoupling of benzaldehyde gives the parent benzoin. Contemporary modification of benzoin condensation include the use of acetylsilanes as well as imine derivatives in place of one aldehyde partner. A wide variety of heteroazoleum salts in the presence of bases that are capable to deprotonate at the corresponding carbon atom and yield N-heterocyclic carbene have been reported as a pre-catalyst for benzoin condensation. Let's see the conventional procedure for the synthesis of benzoin. We take two molecules of benzaldehyde in the presence of sodium cyanide. Alcohol or water gives a condensation product that is nothing but benzoin. The most non-green component of this conventional procedure is nothing but involving the use of highly poisonous sodium cyanide. Coming to the mechanism of conventional procedure, here you can see the addition of cyanide ion to create a cyanohydrin affix an umplong of the normal carbonyl charge affinity, and the electrophilic aldehyde carbon becomes nucleophilic after deprotonation. A thiazonium salt may also be used as a catalyst in this reaction. Then, a strong base now able to deprotonate at the formal carbonyl carbon atom. A second equivalent of aldehyde reacts with its carbanion. Elimination of catalyst generates the carbonyl compound at the end of the reaction. So finally we get the product benzoin. Here we come to the alternate green procedure to avoid the highly toxic cyanide. It is nothing but coenzyme catalyzed benzoin condensation, where we use thiamine hydrochloride catalyst synthesis of benzoin. The chemicals required are benzaldehyde, thiamine hydrochloride, sodium hydroxide, and ethanol. 2 moles of benzaldehyde reacts in the presence of thiamine HCl to give benzoin. Coming to the detailed procedure, take thiamine HCl and it is dissolved in water. Then ethanol was added to that solution and solution was cooled by swirling the flask in an ice water bath. Meanwhile, the sodium hydroxide solution was cooled in the same conical flask in an ice bath after addition. Then, over a period of 10 minutes, the sodium hydroxide solution was added dropwise to thiamine solution. Fresh benzaldehyde was added to the reaction mixture. The mixture was heated gently on water bath for about 90 minutes. The mixture then was cooled to room temperature and then in ice bath to induce crystallization of benzoin. If the product separated as oil, the mixture was reheated until it was once again homogeneous. Then it was allowed to cool more slowly than before. Scratching of the flask with a glass rod may induce crystallization sometimes. Once you get the crystals, filter that, dry that, and then check the melting point and also calculate the percentage yield. The caution that you have to take is benzaldehyde used in the experiment should be free of benzoic acid, and also thiamine hydrochloride should be kept in refrigerator when it is not used. The green context of our experiment is hazardous and poisonous cyanide ion is replaced by thiamine hydrochloride, and reaction is affected at lower temperature. Here comes the detailed mechanism for the formation of benzoin using thiamine hydrochloride. Coming to the applications of benzoin condensation. The first application is N-isaldehyde and para-tolualdehyde give corresponding alpha hydroxy ketones. The second application is formation of furoin from furfurol. It also comes under the application of benzoin condensation. The other application include the benzoin condensation of paraformyl styrene to give the corresponding product. Here we come to the end of our topic, thiamine hydrochloride catalyzed synthesis of benzoin for the postgraduate level students. Thank you for your patient listening.